Hello, loves. I created this meditation with the intention to uplift and inspire you so you can start your day on a powerful and positive note. How you begin your day is an important element to consider as it impacts what follows. When you plant high-quality thought seeds in the garden of your mind, you will naturally blossom into a happier, healthier, and more harmonious bloom of a person, and your days will reflect that too, as what we cultivate within gets pushed out. When you allow yourself to rise and shine each morning, you'll notice a positive change in the rest of your day and the rest of your life. Feel free to listen to this meditation while you're getting ready, or if you prefer, make your way into a comfortable, relaxed position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a nice deep breath in and breathe it all out, letting go of any tension you may be holding on to. I am strong. I am powerful. I am energized. I am motivated. I am calm and confident. I am happy. I am healthy. I am blessed. I am thankful. I am loved. I am whole and complete. I am successful. I am important. I am safe and secure. I am worthy and enough just by being. I believe in myself. I am vibrating in the frequency of love. I am vibrating in the frequency of optimal health. I am vibrating in the frequency of wealth. I am abundant. I am intelligent. I am intuitive. I am the best at all that I do. I am talented. I am filled with passion. I am respected. I am capable. I am a priority. I am mindful. I am authentic. I am genuine. I am charismatic. I am well liked. I am ambitious. I am financially stable and prosperous. I am balanced. I am optimistic. I am highly sought out personally and professionally. I am creative. I am loyal. I am a nice person. I am generous. I am living with intention and purpose. I am attractive. I am magnetic. I am desired and admired. I am clever. I am unique and irreplaceable. I am driven and determined. I am an amazing partner. I am an amazing child, parent, sibling, cousin, and relative. I am an incredible friend. I am a wonderful person. I am making a positive impact in the world. I am relaxed and at peace. I am open to receiving all the goodness of life's offerings. I am rich. I am living my dream life right now. I am a magnet for love and abundance. I am determined. I am in control. I am destined for greatness. I am here to leave a legacy. All that I need to succeed already exists within me. I am faithful. I am fearless. I am thankful for the person I am and the person I am becoming. I am freedom. I am joyous. I am me, and I love myself. I am a master of manifestation, self-concept, and self-love. I am choosing happy now. Thank you for another amazing day. I have so much to look forward to today. Today is the best day. I absolutely love my life. Namaste, and have a blessed and beautiful day.